If you were looking for a glass screen protector for your OnePlus 9 Pro, we thought we'd help you out today by reviewing the Panzer Glass screen protector. The installation will take no longer than just a few minutes to complete. If you would like to purchase the screen protector, just click the link in the description and comments below. Don't forget to hit our like and subscribe button to see more smartphone accessory reviews. Before we start, I recommend removing the fingerprint from the security feature, to which you can then re-add after the installation, to ensure that there will be no issues in entering your phone. Also, turn off your handset just so that it doesn't keep activating. To start with, let's see what's within the pack. You get a microfiber cloth, a dust removal sticker, a wet wipe, and of course the screen protector itself. This is everything that you'll need to apply the protector to your phone. I would suggest laying these out in order to make things easier for you during the installation. So let's go ahead and apply the glass. Firstly, using the wet wipe, go over your display to get rid of any dirt and grease. Next, take the microfiber cloth to clean off any liquid that may be left from the wet wipe. Take the dust removal sticker and dab it against the screen, which will lift off any lint that may be left over from the microfiber cloth. Now that your display is looking immaculate, it is now time to attach the glass. To do so, peel back the tab. Do this whilst holding the glass sticky side down, to avoid any dust becoming attracted to the adhesive. Lower the glass onto your display. When doing so, make sure that you carefully align the black borders to the correct areas of your handset. To finish the installation, wipe over the edges using the microfiber cloth to secure the attachment. And there we are, the Panzer Glass is now attached to your display to offer outstanding protection. I've noticed there to be no difference in the functionality of the handset post-application. Face recognition and fingerprint access works like before. The quality of the display is unaffected by the glass, allowing for you to view your phone's contents as true as possible. It is a high-tension 9H tempered glass construction for enhanced shock protection. There is an oleophobic coating on the display, which prevents fingerprints, helping to keep your screen looking clean. With the thickness of just 0.4mm, the glass is barely noticeable when fitted. You'll be happy to know that you'll still be able to attach your favourite case. The black border that surrounds the glass perfectly matches the jet black bezel of the OnePlus 9 Pro, meaning for it to look natural on the handset. Overall, I'm impressed with the Panzer Glass screen protector for the OnePlus 9 Pro. You get the perfect protection without it hindering the way you use your phone. If you would like to purchase the OnePlus 9 Panzer Glass screen protector, check out the link in the description and comments below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to see more videos like today's. Comment below if you have any questions regarding the screen protector. If you would like to see more options of screen protection, head over to our website. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.